वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We will do the exercise part of the that material what I sent. Tap pratyaya exercises which we started in the last class. I think from here only we have to start. Kavita, Likita.
You have done 10 out of them.
Yeah, 10 out of 10 centers. Yeah, we have seen. So, tap pratyaya, you know very well, it is pratyaya, tap pratyaya. It is used in bhute, arthe, karmani. So, these you need to remember. Let us do the translation. Yeah, Ganesh, you please start from the 11th sentence.
Rishivalebhya Visham Pitam. So here Kriya Padam is Pitam. So it is drunk. So drunk by the farmers. Rishivalebhya means farmers. So Visham means poison. Poison was drunk by the farmers.
Yes. Visham is karma. It is in Prathama Vibhakti, Karta, Tritiya Vibhakti, Adhatu Pratyaya, denoting karma. Karma Abhihitam, therefore Prathama. Anabhita Kartari, Tritiya Vibhakti. Next one, continue please.
Ashwa Shakatam Chalayitam. So Chalayitam means was driven.
Yes.
So Ashwa Shakatam means horse cart. So horse cart was driven.
Ashvashakatam means one word. Ashvasya Shakatam.
Horse cart.
Yeah. Chalayitam was made to move, that is driven. Okay.
13. Ripubhyaha. So Ripubhyaha Devaha. So I was confused a little bit. Ripubhyaha should it not be Ripubhihi?
Ripubhyaha Devaha Tarjitaha.
So Tarjita means threatened. So Devaha Tarjitata means threatened by the Deva. And Ripubhyaha means Ripubhihi, enemies in Tritiya Bhakti.
You can say Ripubhihi also. Devaha Tarjitaha. Deva was threatened by.
Enemies were threatened by Deva.
Yeah, Ripubhihi can say. That would be the Ripubhihi.
Excuse me, sir. It is Panchami Vibhakti Liya. So Ripubhyaha must be okay, I see.
Why Panchami?
Rakshasat Devaha Tarjitaha. And the Mari Varuja.
No, Tarjitaha is threatened. It is not Bitaha. If it is Bitaha, then Panchami. Okay. Tarjitaha is, it can take karma. So Ripubhihi.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe I copied this from somewhere. I don't know.
Sharanji, sorry, what about the 11th one you said, Sharanji?
11th one. What is it?
Krishi Valebhyaha, that is 4-3 or 3-3?
Oh, yes. Krishi Valebhyaha. Here also Krishi Valebhyaha. Yeah. It's good question, yes. Ganesh, what about here? Krishi Valebhyaha.
That's right. So it should be Rishivalaihi.
Krishi Valaihi, the same thing. I didn't see
It
that.
should be Rishivalaihi.
Okay, yeah. Krishi Valaihi Visham Pitam. Yeah. So it must be Krishi Valaihi Visham Pitam.
Yes.
Ripubhihi Devaha Tarjitaha. That's Smartiji, yes. That's why I said the mistakes are there. Yes. Yeah.
Gopena Kshiram Dugdam. So here Dugdam we have to take it in the sense of milking, like milking a cow, I think.
Yes.
Dugdam.
Already on.
Kshiram Dugdam means milked by the milkman. The milk was milked by the milkman.
Yeah. Yes. Then next one.
Then 15. Charcha Sthagita. Sthagita means stopped. Or
Up. Yeah. Past.
so the debate was stopped. Charcha.
Yes.
So this is Strilinga. So Charcha Sthagita.
Debate, the discussion was stopped.
Adjourned.
Yeah. Next one.
Krishnena Upadeshaha Bodhitaha. So Bodhitaha we can take it as Upadeshaha we can take it as a teaching. So Upadeshaha Bodhitaha means teaching was given. The teaching was given by Krishna, Krishnena.
Yes. Next
The
one.
next one, Vriddaha Upavishtaha. So Upavishtaha means sitting. So it is Bhavi Prayoga here. So in English it's difficult. Sitting was done by the old man.
Yes. It is Vish, Upasarga, Vish Dhatu. So it is Akarmaka Dhatu. So it denotes the Karta.
Oh, it's Akarmaka.
Sitter. Okay. It is not Bhave Yoga.
Right. Sitting, I thought there's no object.
Sitting Vriddaha Upavishtaha.
Vriddena.
Vriddaha Upavishtaha. So Vishta to enter, Upavish to sit. So it is Akarmaka Dhatu.
Right.
Akarmaka Dhatu can denote the Karta. right? Therefore,
Right, right, right.
The next one.
Bubukshaya balaha ruditaha.
I don't think anything wrong in that. I don't know why I marked there like this.
Balaha means boy, and ruditaha, crying. So crying was done by the boy, by hunger.
Yes. Because of
hunger, due to hunger.
Yes. Because of hunger, the boy cried. Rud dhatu here also it is akarmaka dhatu. Rud dhatu. Balaha. Ruditaha. Bubukshaya. Next one.
Sharanji, I have one question, if I may.
Yeah.
Now, we did the 17th sentence, Ruddhaha Upavishtaha. So, anytime there is an akarmaka dhatu, we can use it as a kartari prayoga in the thaprachaya.
Yeah.
Like here,
Dhatu
using
can
Ruddhaha
karta
Upavishtaha.
also. Yes.
So, any akarmaka, any akarmaka sentence.
Akarmaka dhatu
Hmm.
and gatyarthaka dhatu can denote karta also. Can denote karta. See, generally, ta pratyaya will denote karma. So this is like an active voice. So therefore, I said it's not bhavya prayoga. Like Ramaha gataha, you can say, or Ramena gataha. Generally, ta pratyaya will denote ta pratyaya will denote karma. Ramena gatam, we say. Ramaha gataha also is correct only. Similarly, here, akarmaka dhatu, vruddhena upavishtam or vruddhaha upavishtaha. Both are okay.
Okay.
If you say vruddhaha upavishtaha, it is kartari. If you say vruddhena upavishtam, Ganeshji,
Yes, sir.
sitting was done by the
So that's
Yeah,
what
Vruddhena Upavishtaha would be
vruddhena
bhave prayoga.
upavishtam.
the old man
Vishtaha.
sits. Sat.
Vruddhena upavishtam or vishtaha. Vruddhena upavishtam.
Vishtam.
Sitting was done by the old man. Vruddhaha upavishtaha, the old man.
Sat.
Is it bhave? Not bhave. I gave the bhave form also now, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one.
Kalidasena kavya rachitam. No,
Kalidasena.
kavyam rachitam, I thought.
Yeah, some mistakes are there. Kavyam rachitam.
Rachitam, composed.
Yes.
So kavyam rachitam, poem was composed. So by Kalidasa.
Kalidasa. Okay. Next one.
Kavyam rachitam, napumsakalinga. Then mantriya nyayaha anushravitaha. So anushravitaha, I think shru dhatu.
Yeah. Shru means
We should take it in the sense of maybe announced. Anushravayitaha will become announced, I think. Anushravayitaha. Anushravitaha is...
okay.
If he announces, then it's Anushravayitaha.
Shru dhatu.
To hear. So he can hear a law or he can announce a law. Announce is Anushravayita.
Why Anushravayitaha?
Because I saw in the dictionary Anushravayita means announce.
Maybe the another form, maybe the Anushravayitaha.
Anushravayita.
Dhatu, because some ta pratyaya can cause guna also. Shravi is a dhatu. Shravi plus ta pratyaya. Okay. Shravitaha. Anushravitaha, it's correct only. Anushravitaha. Shru dhatu, to listen. Shravi means cause to listen. So So Nyaya Anushravitaha means he was made to listen.
So no yak here. So it's Anushravita.
Can we take it as followed by the
No. Mantriya Nyayaha Anushravitaha means what? What is the meaning?
The law was heard by the minister.
The judgment was made to her by the minister.
Okay.
Anushravitaha. Mantriya is, what is Mantriya?
By the minister.
Mantriya, it is Strilinga. By the
Oh,
female minister. Mistress.
Mantriya.
Mantrin is Nakaranta. Mantri, Mantrinav, Mantrinaha. Mantrin. So if it is the male minister, then Mantrina it will be. Here Mantriya is there. So like Strilinga Shabda. So therefore it must be a female minister. Okay. Okay, the next person. There are mistakes in this Vakyas. I'm doing some edition. Let me see. Then next person, Brahmaji. 21.
छात्रेण शब्दः अनुक्तः अनुक्तः is repeated.
Na uktaha anuktaha.
Oh, okay. Now
Not told.
then the word was not said by the students.
Yes. Anuktaha. Uttaram anuktam chatrena. Uttaram chatrena na uktam anuktam. You can say.
Vina drishtam. Okay, it is like Ramena Gatam, like that. So monkey,
No.
no,
Why Ramena Gatam?
no, that the Bave and Katri.
Okay, if it is like that, okay, what is the translation? What do you understand by the sentence?
I just thought it is the monkey saw, like that.
No. Monkeys.
No, it is
Yeah,
seen
monkeys are
by the monkey.
seen by the monkeys.
Hmm.
Seen by the monkeys. But what prayoga is that? It is not like Ramena. Yeah, it is like Ramena Gatam. Why is it Gatam? It should be like any other dhatu. Not because of Ramena Gatam is there it is karma, not Ramena Gatam is a common. That is any kriya, any dhatu you take, ta pratyaya will denote. If karma is not denoted, then Ramena Gatam, it is Bhave Prayoga. Similarly here, it is like a Prayoga.
It's like a previous sentence that's Vriddena Upavishtam, like that, Sharanji. It is not like that.
Vriddena Upavishtam is different. Upavishtam is Akarmaka Dhatu, but Drishdhatu is Akarmaka.
Okay, yeah.
That Ramena Gatam, that example is not correct, I'm saying. Gatyartaka is different. The context what I said was different. Gatyartaka Dhatu denote Karta also. So if it doesn't want to denote, then Ramena Gatam you can say that then it becomes Bhave Prayoga because Gam Dhatu, which can take karma. The karma is not there in the sentence. Karma is not there, therefore Bhave Prayoga. Similarly, here also it is Bhave only. Kapina Drishtam, seen by the monkey.
The monkey.
Yeah, seen by the monkey. But what Drishtam is not given. So Bhave Prayoga.
Okay. Ramaya Pushpam Anitam. Flower was brought by Rama. And Mitra Vivahaha Kathitam. Here, can I take it as announced? Marriage was announced by.
There's a mistake here.
Kathitam. Mitra Vivaham. Vivahaha Kathitaha. Yeah.
The mistakes are there in this. Mitra Vivahaha Kathitaha. Marriage was announced by the father. By the father, announced by the father. Then Next one.
Upanishad Upadishta. Upanishad was Upadishta advised or said.
Upadishta is Upadishta is it is taught. It is given
Thought, okay.
purpose,
Both.
this advised. Yeah, so Upadishta means Upanishad was taught. Upanishad is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. It is Strilinga.
Strilinga, okay.
So what was taught? Upanishad was taught. Upadishta. Upanishad Upadishta. Kena Acharyena. That can supply. Kebhyaha Chatrebhyaha Shishyebhyaha. Acharyena Shishyebhyaha Upanishad Upadishta. Right?
Okay.
Yes.
Then Ragnya Hasitam, loved by the king. Yeah.
Loved by the king. Ragnya Asitam. Asdatu Akarmaka. Yeah. Asitam.
Ave Prayoga here.
Yes. Asitam.
Nyaya. Sharanji.
And one more thing is that, anyway, I'll tell you later, it can take Shashti Vibhakti also. Ragyayaha Asitam. There, okay, some other context I'll tell you. Ragya Asitam is laughing was done by the Raja.
King. Then Nyayadhishena Prashnam Prishtham. The question was asked by the judge.
Yes.
Nartakya Abhinayanam Kritam. Dance was done by the dancer.
Yes.
And Anujaya Dhanam Sambhadita.
Abhinayanam, okay, yeah. Abhinayanam is movement actually.
Abhinayam, it's not
It's okay.
Nrityam.
It's okay. Abhinayanam, that's the movement.
Act.
Yes, act.
Anujaya Dhanam Sambhaditam, where wealth was earned by Anuja.
The youngest.
Younger sister. Then Shaka Krinita, vegetable was bought.
Yes, Krinita. Next, strategy. 31.
Sharanji,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Ashi.
Sharanji, sorry, first of all, my apologies, I didn't do the homework. I'll try my best to, yeah. By next class, I'll finish off everything.
Me
Maya,
too, couldn't do. Will try and.
Sorry?
I also couldn't do homework, but I thought I will try just.
Simple sentences you can try. From Sanskritam translation, I think you have to work on that. But if you have,
Okay,
you can see next class. You can do the next topic. Okay. Yeah, no problem.
Okay, Sharanji. Yeah. Maya Dakshina Datta. Dakshina was given by me.
Yes.
Then Balena Vriksham Utpatitam. Utpatitam is jumped, is it? The boy jumped. The jumping was done from tree to Vriksham.
This is a mistake also here.
Vrikshaha, it should be, right?
Yes. Vrikshaha
So,
Utpatitaha. Please see each sentence carefully. There are some errors. Vrikshaha Utpatitaha.
Vrikshaha Utpatitaha.
Utpatitaha.
Utpatitaha is jumping, right? Jumped.
Yes.
The boy jumped from the tree, is it?
So you have to translate.
By the boy, it should be by the boy. Jumping was done by the boy.
Jumping.
Tree jumping was done by the boy.
Or Utpatitaha, you can say he climbed up also. Utpatitaha.
Oh, okay.
Vrikshaha Utpatitaha. Okay.
Tree climbing was done by the boy, is it?
Yes.
Okay. 33 is Suktam Uktam. Suktam is
Suktam is-
Sutra.
Not sutra. Suktam is Sushtuktam, or it can be say prayers. Prayer,
Okay.
prayer was told. But,
Told.
I mean, or prayer was chanted.
Okay.
Is said, but chanted.
Then sorry, Shanji.
Yeah, continue. Next one.
Matra Putraha Utthapitaha. Utthapitaha was stopped, is it?
No.
Utthapitaha is.
Uttapitaha is Uttishtati Uttapitaha.
Oh, stood up.
No. Uttapita means made him get up. Son was spoken.
Son was made to get up by the mother.
Yes.
Then Shlokaha Kantastikritaha. Kantastikritaha.
Contest is, Kanta is throat. What is contest?
Throat, yeah.
Yes.
Strikritaha.
Contest means memorized.
Oh, okay.
Contesti
So-
Kritaha. Shlokas are committed.
Were memorized. Shlokas were memorized, is it?
They're memorized.
Then Purusharthaha Sadhitaha.
Purusharthaha
Sadhitaha.
Purushartha goals. The goals were accomplished.
Accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
Okay.
Yes.
Then Bhalyam Smritam. Smritam is remembered childhood.
Yes.
Bhalyam.
Childhood was remembered. Boyhood or
Yeah.
childhood, whatever maybe.
Yeah. Then Maya Sukham Anubhutam. Sukham was experienced by me.
Yes.
Then Balena Ruditam. Crying was done by the boy. A boy cried or what?
Yeah. The sentence that I fill up a bit later. Or you can read. Next person now. Srimati ji.
Is it me?
Yes.
Or, okay.
I think me.
Yeah, read please.
Kavina Likitam, written by poet. Vinayakena Granam, smelling was done by Vinayaka. Shishubhya Anuktam, not uttered by,
Should be.
yeah.
Please see the mistakes maybe there.
Shishubhi, yeah. Anuktam, so not uttered by children.
Yes.
Vanarena Vrikshaha Arohitaha.
It's a mistake. Arihitaha is Arohitaha. Not Arohitaha. So it is. This is a mistake.
Climbing was done by monkey.
Arohitaha is not the right word actually. Roktatu. Arohitaha is not that. All these, I think, problem.
Arudha.
Arudha is mistake. Yeah. Arudha. Vanarena. Arudha.
I think we saw this Ragnya Hasitam.
Yeah. Okay.
Acharyena Achara Upadishtaha. So ethics was
The conduct.
repeat, yeah.
The conduct.
Sorry, ji?
Values.
Conduct was advised by the teacher.
Yeah. Conduct of the values. Not by. Okay.
Arakshakena Dhanam Swikritam. Money was accepted by the policeman.
Yes.
Vagolena Shishavaha. Shishavah Santushtaha.
Mistake is there. You can tell me the mistake. Sometimes it is good to
Shishu.
emphasize something correct. Then you have to, it's a difficult job actually, to find out the mistakes. Because in Sanskritam, so everything looks correct. Because it is there. Santushtaha. Shishavah Bhagavachanam. Therefore,
Santushtaha.
Santushtaha. Vagola is the balloon. So,
What is Vagolena?
balloon. Vagola is balloon.
Oh, okay.
Shishavah Santushtaha.
Oh, okay.
Then next one.
Vishnuna Aropitam. Aropitam.
Imposed.
Imposed upon Vishnu.
No, not upon Vishnu.
Oh, imposed by Vishnu.
Yeah. Actually, it should be another. Shalagrame Vishnu Aropitaha, if you say. Vishnu Aropitaha Shalagrame Bhaktihi. That you can say. Vishnu was Aropita, it is superimposed on the Shalagrama by the devotees. Tata Linge, Shivalinge, Shivaha Aropitaha. Shalagrame Vishnu Aropitaha. Here Vishnuna Aropitam. It is Bhave Prayoga, karma not there. Superimposed by the person, somebody Vishnu. The object is not given. Karma is not there. Bhave. Okay. Next one.
Krishi Valena Sasyani Uptani. Sasyani.
Dhatu here, Uptani. Sasya means crops. Krishi Valena is a farmer. Vap dhatu. Vap means sow. So vap will take Sampasaranam. So vap.
Seeds were sowed by.
Yes, crops were sowed by the Krishi Vala. So vap becomes Uptani. Sampasaranam happens. The next one, Kameshwari.
Bijam vapitam. Seed was sown.
Vapadatu.
Yeah.
Causative. Vapitam. Cause to. Seed was caused to be sown.
Okay.
Bijam vapitam.
Sainikaha ahutaha. Soldiers were called.
Yes. Soldiers were called. Next one. Number 53.
Okay. Sitaya Trishitam. Thirst was felt by Sita.
Sita felt
thirsty. Yeah. But how to bring it to Karmani form? No, by.
Yeah. In English, if you do, it will not be proper.
Okay.
Then.
Ragnya Janaha Peditaha. People were troubled by the king.
Yes.
Then Praveshanam Nivaritam. Entry was prohibited.
Entry prohibited. You can see now. Entry prohibited announcement somewhere. So Praveshanam Nivaritam. It need not be only in the past.
Okay.
It is like the announcement. Praveshanam Nivaritam.
Okay.
Trespasses prohibited. Trespassing prohibited. That is what it is. Praveshanam Nivaritam is entry prohibited. So prohibited is that it's why in the past, not in the future, now not in the future. No, not like that. In English also it is like that. Trespassing prohibited or trespass. Is there no? Like in the shop you will see.
Yeah.
Books are sold here. Books sold here means books were sold. Now it will not be sold any henceforth. Not books sold here means books are
Sold here.
being sold here. Similarly, that meaning. So in that way, ta pratyaya, when you sometimes in a sentence can denote present tense also. It's not okay. It's a statement possible. That is ta pratyaya. So you have to see. That is why ta pratyaya, the sentence, it qualifies the karta, and the sentence may be may have the kriya in vartamana kala. The wounded man. Suppose I'm saying the wounded man is falling from the vehicle. Suppose a sentence is that the wounded is qualifying the man. Wounded is taprate, the person who was wounded. Piditaha naraha patati
Path.
vaganat bagihi patati. He falls from the vehicle. Right? So,
Okay.
to see the sentence. Okay. So here it is a statement. Praveshanam nivaritam. Yes. Next one.
Next one. Asmabihi niyamaha acharitaha. Rules were followed by us.
Yes. Niyamaha acharitaha. I'll fill up the other blank. Only 5 more sentences. I think I'll do it. Then the next one. Next one, I think that also homework. Vyasaha. The simple one. Sanskritam to English will be simple one. English to Sanskritam, you have to think. How many minutes
Adya.
are there? 1 minute. Each one of you can do 2 sentences.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Yeah, do it.
Adhyapakasya anupastitau balaihi jalpitam. Adhyapakasya anupastitau. It was spoken by the boys sitting away from the teacher, or anupastitau
Anupastito means upastita means presence.
presence.
Apastita means
Absent.
absence. Anupastito, what vibhakti you have to do?
Yeah, here balaihi. So this should be plural, right? Bahuvachanam anupastitaihi. Like that.
No. First you have to see the, okay, do like this. The Kriya Padam. What is the Kriya Padam?
Jalpitam.
Jalpitam means
Speaking,
chattering.
chatting.
Jalpitam. Okay. Kaihi jalpitam. Who is the Karta?
Balaihi.
Balaihi. Boys. Balaihi jalpitam. When? I mean, there is a time is there. When the chattering was done by the boys.
In absence.
The absence of.
Oh, in the absence of the teacher. Okay.
So what is the anupastita now? What is pratipadikam?
Absence of the teacher. So
Anupastiti is the pratipadikam. No. Anupastiti is the pratipadikam. Anupastiti. Okay.
Saptami.
Saptami. Upastiti, na upastiti, anupastiti, absence. Anupastitau, in the absence of whom? Adhyapakasya. Adhyapaka akasya anupastitau balahi jalpita. Right?
Okay.
So you are seeing anupastitau as something, I mean, katama bhakti. No, it is seeing the anupastitau as the pratipadikam to be anupastita, not stita. It is anupastiti.
Okay. So Saptami here.
It is Saptami.
Okay.
Anyway, I just gave a clue by the translation in the absence of the. It has nothing to do with the in and all. Okay, just to translation is by giving the translation, and I wanted you to think it as a Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, only that much. Anupastitau. Now the same sentence. Do in Kartari, right? Yeah, okay, Kartari we will do later. We have to see Tavatu Pratyaya. We are going to the next topic. Actually, that topic is first. Anyway, you can do that in Jalpitam. The sentence can be converted into Lang Lakara. Lang Lakara or Lat Lakara, your choice.
Then,
Kartari or Karmani. Okay, let us do Kartari first and then the same sentence can be done in Karmani also.
okay, Kartari means Balaha Jalpanti.
Very
So,
good.
Adhyapakasya, that will Anupastito Balaha Jalpanti.
Adhyapakasya, very good. Adhyapakasya Anupasito Balaha Jalpanti. Lat Kartari. Now,
Lat
Lang Kartari will be?
Lang Kartari means Ajalpat. No, Ajalpan.
Ajalpan, Balaha Ajalpan. Now, Lat Karmani would be?
Karmani Lat Jalpyata or Jal Dhatu, so Jal
Lat
plus
Kartari. First, listen, Lat Karmani first and then Lang Karmani you can do. Okay, take Lat now. Lat Karmani.
Jalpyate.
Jalpyate. Balaiki Jalpyate. Adhyapakasya Anupasito. Now, Lang will be?
Ajalpyata.
Yes, very good. Ajalpyata. Balaiki Ajalpyata. So, Jalpitam is equal to Ajalpyata. Understand? Jalpitam is equal to Ajalpyata. Balaiki Ajalpyata. Next sentence.
Atangavadinaha Muktim Shrutva Janaihi Drisham Akrishtam. Atangavadinaha Muktim Shrutva. On hearing the release of the terrorists. People, right? Or
Yes, yes.
Janaihi Drisham Akrishtam. People were greatly attracted.
Not attracted.
I don't know.
Akrishtam. In fact, okay. I think
I saw this link for
Akrishtam, you can say Kruddham. Krish Dhatu means Akarshana in the sense of attraction. But here, Janehi Brisham Kruddham. Okay. They were angered.
oh,
I'm changing that, okay? Now it's meaningful. Otherwise, it doesn't seem to be proper.
they were annoyed.
Yeah, they were annoyed, they were disturbed, they were angered. Right? People were angered by the having heard the release of the terrorists. People were much angered. Visham Kruddham. Right?
What does Brusham mean, Sharanji?
Much. Visham, very much anger.
Okay.
So it is adverbial. It's avaya. So Atang Mukti. Mukti means release. Having heard the release of the terrorist. Janehi Brisham Kruddham. Now convert this into Lat Kartari, then Lang Kartari, then Lat Karmani, Lang Karmani.
Okay, Lat Kartari will be Janaha, Kruddham will be Krodanti. Janaha Krodanti, that is Mukti. Yeah, Atankavadinaha Muktim Shrutva Janaha Brisham Krodanti. Next, Lang will be.
No, not Krodanti. It is Krudadhatu, which is fourth Gana. Let us see the Gana. Which Gana? We have seen all the things.
Oh, Ya will come. So krudyanti.
So Janaha Krudyanti.
Krudyanti. So
And
then
towards whom they got angry. Suppose in this sentence it is not there. The object of anger will be,
towards the government.
that will be fourth case. Anyway, here it is not there. Janaha Krudyanti. Vrisham Krudyanti. Atta Muktim Shutva. Now, Lang.
Then lang will
Lang,
be Janaha
Lang, yeah.
Vrisham Akrudyat. Akrudyat.
Akrudyan.
Yeah, Akrudyan, sorry, Akrudyan. Then
Lang Kartari. Then Lat Kartari.
Kartari will be, no, Karmani now.
Sorry,
Kartari I finished. Karmani. Janaihi Vrisham Krudyate. Krudyate. Krudyante. Krudyante.
Why Krudyante? It is Krudyate only. Janaihi Vrisham Krudyate. Karma
Okay.
sentence. Okay.
Yeah,
Atanaha Muktim Shrutva. Yes, Shrutva. 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 Janaihi Vrisham what are doing? Krudyate. Krudyate. Or Lang will be Akrudyata.
Akrudyata, yeah.
Krudham is equal to Akrudyata. Now the next person, Ganesh, next line.
Vane simham drishtva bhitena brisham dhavitam. So here, I think something
That's
is
not
missing.
given.
I think it's mrgaihi should be there.
No,
Bhitena mrgaihi brisham dhavitam.
that is Vivaksha of the speaker. It's not mentioned.
Okay, so he has omitted that. So first part is Vane simham drishtva, seeing the lion in the jungle, bhitena, with fear. So then we have to take it as running, dhavitam. Running was done due to fear by the animals.
And animals are not there. Okay. That,
We have to supply that.
not supply. Not required. It is not mentioned by the speaker. It's not there.
Right.
Running was, okay, Brisham Davitam, jumping or running out of fear were done having seen this singer, the lion.
Lion in the jungle.
Okay, now the
So
same.
if you are, yeah, so if you are take it to Karmani, then we have to supply Mriga then.
Not required. Then also you can without Karmani. This is Karmani only anyway. Davitam is what?
Dhavanti.
It is Davitam is Karmani only. Now if you say
Right. Now Kartari, then we have to take it as Dhavanti.
Davanti,
Mrigaihi Dhavanti.
not required.
Sorry, Mriga.
Mriga, leave it. Okay, Mriga, you don't have to supply. It is not there, don't have to supply. It is there.
Right.
Okay. Mrigaga, or could be Manushya also, who knows? That the speaker doesn't want to say. So now let Kartari will be.
So Bhitena Brisham Dhavanti.
Bhitena, yes, Bhitena will remain Bhitena. Bhitena Brisham Dhavanti.
Dhavanti. Vane Simham Drishtva.
That is Kartari letter. Now Lang Kartari would be.
Vane Simham Drishtva Bhitena Brisham Adhavat. Adhavan.
But Bhagavachanam using your option, your choice. Why
Adhavat.
Adavat or Adavan? I mean, Adavan, your choice. Maybe Davati or Adavanti, your choice. Because karma is not mentioned. And therefore, Vibhakti also, Vachanam also, we don't know. Right?
Right.
So, Karmani would be Lat Karmani, Lang Karmani.
So Bhitena Brisham Adhavyata.
That is Lang Karmani.
Karmani. Adhavyata.
Lat Karmani would be Dhavyate.
Dhavyate. Brisham Dhavyate.
Brisham Dhavyate. Next one.
Now this is Padasya Mityakarana Shikshakena Kruddham. So here it is Shikshakena kruddam. Anger was felt by the teacher.
Teacher got angry. Okay.
Or in indirect speech, it will be anger was felt by the teacher.
Hmm.
So padasya mityakaranam. So mityakaranam must be mistake or incorrect.
Yes.
So anger was felt by the teacher by the incorrect word.
Yes. Towards whom the anger is directed, it's not given. If it is chatra, chatrebhyah, it will come. Chaturthi vibhakti. Anyway, it is not that, don't worry. Padasya mitya karanat.
Karnat.
By doing the word wrongly, the teacher got angry. Now, you can do.
From the incorrect word. From the incorrect word.
No, we don't use from and all. Okay. See, don't hold on to that from and preposition because Panchami. No. That way I never taught also. That
Due to.
That due to, on account of, and from, no, whatever the English translation, that we have to see. It is padasya mitya karanat. Mitya karanam, that becomes a hetu for the anger of the teacher. That's all. Hetu panchami. That is how I taught the karaka. I never connected this English preposition with directly to the vibhakti. That time, if you learn that like that, we will have wrong understanding.
Right.
So the anger, the cause for the anger is the mithya karanam. So therefore it is hetu, hetu panchami. That's why from the very beginning I taught. Even karma is dvitiya bhakti. Why? What is karma?
Right.
Ipsitamam karma. That which the karta is very much desires to accomplish. That's called karma. Definition is karma is that.
So we should not take it as apadana, but as hetu, cause and effect.
Yes.
Cause and effect.
Not apadana, yes.
Cause of birth and or an effect.
Yes.
The third definition.
Yes. So because of the wrong word, the teacher got angry. So lat kartari would be
krodati. Shikshakaha krodati.
Not krodati. It is
kruddati.
Fourth gana. Okay. Krudyati.
Krudyati. So shikshakaha krudyati. Shikshakaha akrudyata. Akrudyat.
Akrudyat.
And shikshakena akrudyata.
Yes. And shikshakena akrudyati.
Akrudyati.
Okay. Next one.
Sharanji, if we say this as a shikshakaha kruddaha, would that be a correct way to say it?
Shikshakaha
kruddaha.
So for shikshaka means the teacher was angered. Yes, you can say. Yes, you can
like.
Say. Because it is shikshakena kruddham, kruddhatu.
So we can.
Krudha means angry. The teacher got angry. So kruddaha you can say. Shikshakaha kruddaha. Yes.
Thank you, Sharan.
Yes. See, krudha is the anger. So it is also akarmaka only. Therefore, shikshakaha kruddaha is correct. See, that is why the sentence, you see how the sentence is. The person towards whom your anger is directed, that will go in Chaturthi Bhakti. Chatrebhyah shikshakaha krudyati. So, chatra is the object. Object doesn't mean there it is karma. There it becomes samprasana because krud will govern Chaturthi Bhakti. Right? So therefore it is sampradana. Now krud is being akarmaka dhatu, and even because by the sentence, the chatrebhyah, it is in sampradana, there is no object there directly. That is from that we can infer. Krudhatu can denote karta. Shikshakaha krudhaha. Teacher got angry.
Thank you, Sharanja.
Again, that is another way of saying it's a good question. Shikshakaha krudhaha or shikshakena kruddham. Shikshakena kruddham means that shikshakaha krudhaha. Ramena gataha ramaha gataha. Same. Next one. Smatiji, you can try. Okay. This is a simple one.
My turn, Sharanji.
Sorry, Ramaji. Yeah.
Gurukule yad bhaktam. Is it yad
Yat
alpa prana should come? Yad bhaktam.
it's okay. Yat bhuktam pitam jalpitam.
Pitam taptam jalitam atitam tat na prasmaryate.
Yat bhuktam actually that's one word. Yat bhuktam pitam tattam jalpitam. So yat can be connected to everything. Yat bhuktam. Why alpa prana is it?
Oh, I thought bhuktam is there, so
Okay. I think it's like this. Gurukule yat bhuktam pitam taptam jalpitam patitam. Or you can leave.
is it whatever we learn in the curriculum, it's not to be forgotten like that, Sharanji, whatever we do.
Yes. Tat na smaryate. Prasmaryate.
And that's not to be forgotten.
Yes. Not forgotten. Not prasmaryate. Not prasmaryate is smaryate is remember. Not remembered. Okay. Forgotten. Not vismaryate. Negative is that. Tat na prasmaryate. Gurukule yat bhuktam pitam taptam jalpitam atitam tat na prasmaryate. What is prasmaryate?
Prasmaryate is
Remembered. Not remembered.
remembered.
Na prasmaryate, vismaryate. Understand?
Yeah.
So, na is a tat, tanna is a tatna is what? Tanna is not. Tat na prasmaryate means vismaryate. Forgotten. Not forgotten. Okay. If na is not there, then say tat prasmaryate, well remembered. The experiences or were well or well remembered. But here it is na prasmaryate. Not remembered, it means forgotten. Okay. So here it is in Latlaka. I think I can explain that. So now anyway, you can tell me what will be the appropriate form.
Very form?
Yes, present.
Prasmarati.
No. Prasmaryate is let karmani. You can use both.
Yeah.
Pratyaya.
Pratyaya. Prasmarati. Smaritaha. Prasmari.
No. What is the
Smril dhatu?
Smr plus ta pratyaya.
Here will come Sharanji Smarita.
Huh?
Smarita is correct?
No. Smritam. It becomes
Smritaha.
Smritam. Okay.
Smritam is yeah.
Na smritam. We have seen already smrit dhatu, which is there in the category. Category is there. You can see that. Smritam. Na smritam. Not remembered. Okay. That is a context. Therefore, Gurukule, yet Bhuktam is what? Okay, anyway, it can be Prasmaryate in also. Because in all these places, okay, I think it can, I let it be there like Prasmaryate. That would be better. Because Bhuktam, Pitam, in all this Ta Pratyaya is there. Can you see that?
Yeah. Mm.
Bhuj plus Ta Pratyaya, Bhuktam. What is eaten?
Eaten.
Bhuktam. What is consumed, eaten? Yat Pitam, what is drunk? Yat Taptam, that is Tapdhatu. What are the difficulties or the tapas we underwent there? Yat Jalpitam, chattering. Yat, what was chattered, talked about? Atitam, moved. So all these they are the ta pratyaya. So na prasmaryate. Na prasmaryate means not remembered, forgotten. Understand sentence?
Yes, yes, Sharanji.
Prasmaryate, I just convert that as prasmritam. For that is also okay. Here it is lat kartari. Lat kartari. That's for prasmaryate. So yet bhuj dhatu ta pratyaya, pa dhatu ta pratyaya pitam, tap dhatu ta pratyaya taptam, jal ta pratyaya jalpitam, at ta pratyaya patitam. So what are these activities we did in the curriculum? Tat yet tat na prasmaryate. It is not well remembered. Sentence clear?
Yeah, yes, Sharanji.
Next one.
Fully pakvam supachyam madhuram cha bhavati. The food cooked in the stove, what is chulli? So is well cooked and tasty, madhuram, sweet.
Chulli sentence is not correct.
Chulli pakvam.
Chulli pakvam supachyam madhurancha. You tell me what is the mistake? Mistakes are there.
In the stove will come, right? No.
Why? I don't know. I mean, all of you are thinking in the stove, on the stove, from the in the absence. No. Okay. Analyze a sentence this way. Bhavati, kim bhavati.
The food above and annam.
Please say in
Annam
only
is
Sanskritam. Okay. Not in from preposition usage.
yeah.
Kim bhavati, madhuram cha bhavati. Supachyam madhuram cha bhavati. Supachyam is pach dhatu. Causative pach dhatu becomes pach plus nich becomes pach. Then you add yep pachyam. Well cooked pachyam. Pachyam. Then pakvam. Pach pakvam also the same meaning. I mean supachyam is pach dhatu causative. Pach is pach dhatu. Pach plus kta pratyaya. So supachyam madhuram pakvam cha bhavati. Kim bhavati?
Chulli pakam maybe correct.
Chulli pakam, you have to say. It is
Chulya pakam?
Otherwise, chulya, that by the chulli, it was.
With the chulli. Using the chulli.
Chulya is best, not with the chulli. Chulya, you can say. Okay. Chulya, yet pakvam, that which is cooked. Tat supachyam madhuram cha bhavati. You can make a sentence like that. Pachdatu pakvam. Pakvam means that which is seasoned or which is cooked. Or that he said chulli pakam, you can say. That would be better. It's a samasa. Chulli pakam is very good. Or chul. Yes. Chulya. Etu pakvam, you can say. That which is cooked. That. Supachyam madhurancha bhavati.
Mm.
Make the sentence like this. It will be right. The next one. Next one is Sumatriji. Next one is actually the same. Sthali Chulli.
Yeah.
That is what it is actually. Bhavati is correctly. See, next one is the same. Please read.
Sthali pakvameva pitamahah. Yashanji? Bhungte.
Bhujdhatu. It is Kattari. Latlakara Kattari. Pitamaha grandfather eats. What does he eat?
Stali pakvameva.
Sthali pakvameva. Pachdhatu tha pratyaya. Pachdhatu tha pratyaya. That is actually the important thing here. Pachdhatu tha pratyaya. It becomes pakva. That which is sthali pakva. Cooked in the sthali.
Stali is?
Sthali pakvam is said cooker.
Cooker, okay.
Chulli
So-
pakam. Oh. I think that was there in the previous sentence. Chulli pakam. I think chulli pakam is correct only. Chulli pakam or chulli pakam. Both are okay. Right? That which is cooked by with the sthali. That which is cooked by chulli. So chulli pakam is also correct. I think it is, the sentence will be meaningful. Chulli pakam.
Chulli is like chullas, is it? They use the chullas in the olden times.
Firewood.
Yeah, firewood.
Chulli. Panchachuli is there in Himalayas where Draupadi cooked for Pandava, it seems. So, Pitamaha Bhunte. Then the next one. So, 8.
Then upakritam.
Yeah.
Upakritam dathan chaiva paralokam saha gachati. Upakritam.
Gachati. That starts from Kriya Padam.
Gachati is kartri prayoga.
Kaha Gachati.
Kaha gachati is who's going? It's not saha. Paralokam saha is different. No, sir. Paralokam is karma.
Payasaha Gachati. Comes along with you. That is not understood. Okay. Pakam Gachati goes to the other world along with. Along with means the person. That's understood. It's not there. What goes? Upakritam.
Upakritam.
Upakritam is upakara.
Helping others. Yeah.
Charity, upakara, help. Dattancha. Dattam is datta karma. Ishtapurtam. Datta. Adik. The punya karma. Dattam. Referring to da plus ta pratyaya. Da plus ta pratyaya is referring to what is given. But technically, datta means that particular karma which gives you the punya karma, which takes a person to the better loka, that is datta karma. So upakritam is dhanam. Dhanam dattam paralokam saha gacchati. Right? That's the meaning. So kru dhatu ta pratyaya is the da dhatu ta pratyaya. So dattam upakritam. That you have to spot. Ta is there.
Oh, okay.
Next one, next person, Krishna.
Abhuktam adattam nityam hi shriyate. Shriyate is wasted or destroyed. That which is not enjoyed or given is wasted.
Is wasted. Na bhuktam. Na dattam adattam. So referring to that which is not been enjoyed, referring to that which is not been given, nityam hi shriyate. Despised forever. destroys forever. Next.
Is it? Muhurta Jwalitam Shreyona. Muhurtam
The ancient
Jwalitam.
manuscripts will be like that. You see how much difficulty they will have to
Yeah.
group the letters and identify the word.
Split and then Sandhi.
Yeah, very difficult.
Muhurtam Jwalitam Shreyonacha Dumayitam.
That's a
Shiram.
English proverb. You can think.
Sorry, ji?
There's an English parallel proverb to this.
Muhurtam Jwalitam.
What is the meaning?
Muhurtam Jwalitam Shreyonacha Dumayitam Chiram. Dumayitam is smoke. Chiram. Okay, Shreyo. Muhurtam Jwalitam.
Anybody?
There is no smoke without
There
fire.
is no smoke without fire. Yeah.
No, not that one. Here, do you spot the word Shreyaha?
Yeah.
Shreyaha means what? What is the meaning of Shreyaha?
Greater.
Better.
Greatness, greater.
Shreyaha means better. Okay. Shreyaha has got ES1 pratyaya. Okay. In the document what I sent, you will see Shreya Shabda, how to decline and all. That we will see later. Anyway, ES1 pratyaya. Okay. It is better. Shrestha is best. That is superlative. So Shreyaha is comparative. Shrestha is superlative. Like we have, the Tara,
Like you said, Taratama Pratyaya.
Taratama, Gugyatama, Dhimatama, intelligent than Dhimatara, intelligent among all is the best, Dhimatama. In that meaning, this is used. Shreyaha, Sreshtaha. Sreshtaha means is the best. It is the best. Shreyaha is better than, comparative. Now I have given the clue. Find out the meaning.
Muhurtam Jwalitam.
And also time is given. All these factors you can see. And two contradictory things are talked about. Therefore, there is comparison. Therefore, to say that there is no smoke without fire, not correct. That's not the answer. Yes. Parallel English proverb is there. I don't remember the proverb, but something is a nice proverb is there in English. Shreyaha.
Shiram is long, it lasts long.
Yes. Muhurtam is.
Muhurtam Jwalitam.
Muhurtam is short. Only for that period of time. What about others? Anybody can answer.
Muhurtam Jwalitam Shreya.
Sangamitraji.
ரொம்ப நேரம் குவிக்கா எரியறது பெட்டர்.
Very good. That is what it is. That is what it is actually. That is what it is. In English, I don't know what the English proverb is. You can say in English, Maji. What you said, you can say in English. So, what is that which smokes for a long time compared to that which shines for a short time is better, right? So that which has got short life, but it has got glow, that is better than that which doesn't shine but only smoke. That is the meaning. So Jwalitam referring to that which is Jwalitam, which glows. Jwalitam Shreyaha is, that is Napumsakalinga. Okay. Shreyaha is Napumsakalinga. We have seen Shreyas is Shreyan, Shreyamso, Shreyamsaha Pullinga. Shreyasi, like Nadi Shabda Shrilinga. Shreyas Sakaranta, Shreyaha, Shreyasi, Shreyamsi. Okay. The same Shreyaha, Preyaha we saw in Kathopanishad. Napumsakalinga word. Shreyaha, better. What is better? Jwalitam Shreyaha. That which Jwalitam, which shines for Muhurtam. Muhurta Kshanam, Muhurta Kalam eva it Jwalitam, that is Shreyaha. That is better. Compared to what? Chiram been for a long time. Dhumayitam, that which is smoky, that which gives smoke. Compared to that, this Jwalitam is Shreyaha. Dhumayitam Chiram na Shreyaha bhavati. Dhumayitam yat Chiram Dhumayitam tat na Shreyaha. Mugurtam Jwalitam eva Shreyaha. Okay, two things are compared. Understand? So Jwalitam has got dikta pratyaya. Understand the sentence, Krishnaji?
Yes, 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 yes.
So it's a proverb actually. Next one. Next one you can do the last sentence of this exercise.
Gatam na shuchyatam. Gatam na shuchyatam. Anagatam na chintyatam. Vartamanam drishyatam. Gatam na shuchyatam. Anagatam na chintyatam.
What is the meaning?
So not what is gone, what is past, don't think about that. What is future?
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry. Okay, Vartamanam Drishyatam.
Only
Gatam na
look at the present.
Present.
Shuchyatam, Chintyatam, Drishyatam, all these are lot lakara.
Yeah.
Lot lakara karmani. Okay, we have seen all these. I think we have not done abhyasa that for the long time. Dhatu and all the lakaras. I think, but we have done sufficient abhyasa. You can do maybe later. I mean, after some finishing this topic, you can take a dhatu, all the lakaras, both kartari, karmani, and all the kridantas. Whatever kridanta we have seen, those forms we can do. Okay, that we can do on every Monday, so that you can remember the forms. Shuchyatam is lot karmani. Gatam na shuchyatam. What has gone? So gatam is denoted by the kriya padam shuchyatam, and gatam itself is tapratyaya. As what has gone? What gone? What was gone? Na shuchyatam. Don't worry about that. May one not worry about the past. Gatam is past. Na agatam. Agatam, na agatam, anagatam. Agatam is that which came. Anagatam is that which did not come, yet to come. Anagatam, na chintyatam. Don't worry about that which has not come. That is future, anagatam. Vartamanam, now the present, drishyatam. So, you see only the present. That is the meaning. Okay. Now, Kameshwariji. Next one.
Yeah, here Shuchyatam means worry only or?
Yeah, very brief. Very.
Okay.
Shuchidatu. Shochati. Shochyananva shochastham.
Okay, okay.
It is lot lakara.
Okay.
Lot lakara karmani. Okay. If it is, okay. Now let me ask you, if it is kartari, then what will be the form? Shochatu. Shochatam.
Shochati.
No, Shochati. I'm saying lot lakara. Lot will be shochatu.
Shochatu. Yeah, here it is dvivachanam. No, why do we use?
Why dvivachanam? That's why I'm saying lot karmani. It is pratama, it is ekavachanam. Pratama purusha ekavachanam.
Okay, okay.
I think you have forgotten the forms of the
No. Yeah, now I understood.
Not only you, I think everybody has that memory has to be invoked. Okay, we will see. later. Now the next sentence can be. These are
Hmm.
Gita. Can read.
Yeah. अतकेन प्रयुक्तः अयं पुरुषः पापं चरति.
तत्केन प्रयुक्तोऽयं पापं च पुरुषः. Arjuna has Gita. The same thing is put in the form of a sentence. Yeah. What is the meaning?
Atha means now or what to take, I don't know. Atha.
It's okay. It's Avirya. But leave that out. Okay. Shloka it is taken.
By Prayuktaha is uttered.
No. Not Uktaha. Where is Uktaha? Is there?
No, Atakena Prayuktaha.
How is it uttered?
Uktaha like that only.
Where is Uktaha? There is no Uktaha at all. There is no Vachta.
Okay. Prayuktaha means.
Yuchudatu it is. Yuchudatu ta pratyaya becomes Yuktaha.
Okay, joined.
Yuktaha means not joining. Propelled by what? Driven by what? Motivated by what? That is Prayuktaha. Kena Prayuktaha. Propelled by what? Ayam Purushaha. This person. Papam
charati.
Papa karma karoti. Kena by what? Propelled by what? So, Prayuktaha. Okay, now, what is Prayuktaha in the sentence? How do you connect?
Propelled by what?
Okay, Prayuktaha, what does it denote? You start from the Kriya Padam. I probably didn't understand. Charati. Kaha charati?
Papam charati.
No.
Purushaha charati.
Ayam Purushaha charati. Then
this man is doing papam.
Yes. Charati means karoti. Papam karoti. Okay. Now, this man has got a...
doing.
This man, what is that? Next word. What is the vibhakti of Prayuktaha? I think all the ideas are nice. You have to bring it together. Not Panchami. Prayuktaha, Vibhakti I'm asking.
Prayuktaha is...
Yujudatu ta pratyaya, you get Prayukta. Prayukta.
Pratama
Vibhakti, Ekvacham. Referring to this person, the person who is propelled, who is driven. So, Prayuktaha, Ayam Purushaha Prayuktaha, that is his Vakya. Okay. Ayam Purushaha Prayuktaha. Kena Prayuktaha, Kamena, suppose instead of Kena, Kama is Kama, Krodha. Listen, Ayam Purushaha, Kamena, Prayuktaha.
Driven by the
Purushaha Papam Charati. So the sentence Ayam Purushaha Prayuktaha is a sentence. This person was propelled. Right? So Taha denotes the Karta. Denotes the Prayuktaha. For that in that sentence, Ayam Purushaha Prayuktaha, that Purushaha is the karma, and what propels that is the karta, that is Kena. Kena is, you can supply Kamena or Krodena, whatever may be. Understand? So for Prayuktaha, Yujudatu, Ta Pratyaya denotes karma, we know, and the karma is this Purushaha, Ayam Purushaha. Understand the sentence. First you have to understand very clearly. So for Yujudatu Ta Pratyaya denotes karma, and the karma in the sentence is Ayam Purushaha. Kena is the karta. In the sentence, for the charati, the karta is Purushaha.
Purushaha. Yeah.
So therefore, prayuktaha, that kridanta plays the role of an adjective to this purusha.
Okay.
That's
Visesh.
why I divided into two sentences. Ayam purushaha prayuktaha, that is one sentence. And ayam purushaha papam charati, another sentence. Kena prayuktaha ayam purushaha, this purusha propelled by what? Saha ayam purushaha papam charati. That purusha, this person does papam. Understand? So prayuktaha
Yeah.
is an adjective to ayam purushaha.
Okay.
This is
Yes, this man is
analyzed the
doing
Gita
papa.
also.
Doing papa, driven by what? Driven by
Driven by
what?
what?
This man is doing papa.
Papa. So driven is what? What is driven? The person is driven, right? Prayuktaha. So
Yeah.
it denotes the Purusha. So therefore it is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavacham goes along with that. Because he is the Karta in the sentence. The main sentence with respect to the Kriya Charati is the Karta. Therefore Prayuktaha qualifies him. And for Yujidhatu, that Purusha is the Karma. So you have to understand that properly. Is it clear to all of you what I'm saying?
Yes, Jia.
Yes. You have to analyze a sentence grammatically like this, then only the meaning will be clear. Otherwise, the meaning sometimes will become problem. You will get opposite meaning also. So ask questions. See, don't translate into Sanskritam. That is not required. You ask questions and get answers in Sanskritam. Charati, kaha charati, purushaha charati, ayam purushaha charati, prayuktaha ayam purushaha charati, kim charati, papam charati. Papam is the karma. Sentence is clear. Prayuktaha, prayuktaha, ayam purushaha prayuktaha. So it is, ayam, this purusha is the karma for each dhatu. And karta is Tritiya Bhakti, that is kena. Right?
Okay.
Then second.
Next.
Sorry, Sharanji. So the sentence is Kartri Prayoga, right? The complete sentence.
The main sentence, if you take the sentence as a whole, Kriya Padam denotes the
Yeah, Charati. Yeah.
Kartari Prayoga.
Okay. Thank you, Sharanji.
And there may be Kridanta, Bhuta Kridanta, qualifying the karma or the karta. That is okay. That is fine. Okay. That doesn't change the prayoga of the sentence. That Kridanta plays the role of the adjective there. So it will, that will not change the prayoga. Prayoga means the main sentence. Charati is the Kriyapadam, the main sentence. So therefore Kartari prayoga.
Kartri. Thank you, Sharanji.
The next sentence also is like that. Kameshwarji, read that.
Ragnya niyojitah bhrityah iva purushah papam acharati. Papam acharati. He is following purushah. That is bhritya.
Purushaha, okay. No, Purushaha acharati. That's okay. Kima acharati.
Papam acharati.
That is one sentence. Purushaha papam acharati. Now other part.
Ragnya niyojitah bhrityah. Bhrityah is servant. Niyojitah means appointed, or I don't know.
Yes, appointed. The bhritya,
so,
the servant.
Appointed by the king.
Yes.
Who was appointed by the king? I don't know how to connect these two. Eva is like the servant who was appointed by the king. He is doing papa. He is following bad things. Hello?
Will you tell me the translation? No, I'm listening. Okay, don't worry. Okay, I'm on. I don't go to sleep.
No, I don't hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I said that.
Yeah. You tell me the meaning. I'm opening to everyone. Others.
Something like the servant who was appointed by the king, that man did the papam.
Is your guess or is the real translation?
Well, in this case, we can really leave out
Yes.
the Iva Purushaha and say Bruchaha. Rajna Niyojitaha Bruchaha Papamacharati. Would that be
Okay.
correct?
Okay. No, others. Okay, I'll come to you later. I'll tell the answer later. Others can guess. Anybody? Please unmute your mic.
No, Ji.
Raja is,
Yeah.
I mean, servant is, Raja forces the servant to do things.
Krishnan guesswork or what?
Your Eva is there, means like.
Ah.
It is like incurring papam.
It
is like incurring papam for a person.
You're
Forced by somebody, like.
Rajna Niyojita Brityaha. So the king's order.
A lot of kalpanas are there, okay.
The king's order is like a papam for the Purusha.
No. Krishnaji, you say, what did you say? Again, you say something interesting. Kalpana, okay. Tell me, it's okay.
Raja is forcing or forcing the servant to do.
Where is forcing? Okay.
Niyojitaha.
Forcing the servant to do the papam. Okay. Parvati ji, let me ask everybody, then I'll tell the answer. I'm also for the first time, okay. Even though I prepared, I forgot what it is. Yeah.
Brutyaha is Sevakaha.
Yes, you're right.
Servant, by servant who is fixed by Raja.
See,
he looks like Purusha.
Sharanji, I think I got it.
Yeah, please do it.
The king who treats people like servants incurs papam.
No.
It's something like that. Even I thought, sir.
No.
I thought like that, Sharanji, because of this papam, he has been made as a
No, there is no moral here. Okay, don't worry. There is no moral here. Now, I'll tell this. Charati, listen. Charati, kaha charati, purusha charati. Kim charati, acharati, papam acharati. Okay. Now, Brityaha iva purushaha papam charati. The purusha, the person, like a servant, the person does papam as though a servant appointed by the king. That is the meaning. That is Rajya Niyojitaha Brityaha Iva Purushaha. This Purusha, as though appointed as the Britya by the Raja, does papam. But he is not appointed by the Raja. Understand? That is the meaning. Got it?
That makes sense now once you explain it.
Yes, Sanjay. Now
the Purusha does the papam as though the Purusha is the Britya servant appointed by the king. The king did not appoint him.
So Purusha here is Jiva and Rajna is Paramatma.
Let us not go there, okay. Vedanta here. Simply see the sentence. The Purusha, he behaves, he does papam, he does work, he does papam, karma he does, whatever may be. But he is not appointed by the king. But he is like a Britya. As though a Britya appointed by the king, as though a servant appointed by the Raja, this Purusha does papam. So, that is the meaning of this sentence. That is how I look the sentence meaning. Okay. And that is what it is also. I don't think any other meaning here. So you have to connect Purushaha. So Rajya Niyojitaha Brityaha Iva Purushaha. The Purusha, like a servant appointed by the king. But that is one part. That part, if it is clear, then the second part is that Purusha does papam. Whether it does papam or whether it does really work for the king, that is different. That is not the point here. That is different. But the Purusha is not appointed by the Raja. It's not appointed by the king. So, therefore, as though appointed by the king as a servant, this Purusha does papam. That is the meaning. I hope this is clear, right? Sentence
Yes, Ji. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
Shanti.
it's very clear.
So, Bhrityah Prathama Vibhakti, Bhrityah iva Purushaha, and the Bhritya is qualified by Niyojitaha, Kena Niyojitaha, Rajya Niyojitaha. So, as though appointed by the king. Rajya Niyojitaha iva Bhrityaha. Bhrityaha is Niyojitaha, the servant who is appointed. And the servant, this Purusha is not a servant, as though a servant appointed by the king. Papam acharati, that's papa. So, a lot of kalpana came, but this is meaning. So, similarly, when you read Gita Shloka or Bhashyam, you have to analyze like this and you get the meaning. That
So
is
we have to put the comma after iva. Rajna niyojitaha vrutyah iva purushah papam acharati. So then it will be okay.
sorry, the same thing. What is that? Is it again?
Rajna niyojitaha vrutyah iva purushah papam acharati. So
Yes,
purusha,
yes. That is how you have to read. When you change the reading, you get the meaning. Yes, you are right. Rajya niyojitaha bhrityaha iva. Stop there.
okay.
Purushaha papam. See, where you pause, how you read, that meaning it changes. Sometimes the meaning, meaning will not change. The artha spuranam happens. The correct artha, it happens in your mind, right? A good sentence. The next person now. After.
Yes, Shanti. Yes, Shanti.
Yes. This is from
This
Gita.
is a second chapter, Gita modification.
Yes.
Yadrichaya upapannam swargadvaram apavritam yuddham tvaya labdaha. So here yuddham tvaya labdaha. This battle is gained by you, or incurred by you, or gained by you.
Yuddham tvaya labdham, it must be. Or yuddhaha tvaya labdhaha. Apavritam yuddham labdham. Okay, that's a mistake.
Yuddham labdham. Yes. So it's Napumsakalinga. Tvaya yuddham labdham. You have gained this war. Yadrichaya means by chance.
And yuddham is qualified by the other words. Start from there.
So, yes. Yadrichaya upapannam. So
no.
Means obtained by chance.
Yuddham is there. Yuddham is qualified by the other words. So pick up one qualifiers. You get, and then you can put the other words. Yuddham. What yuddham?
Yadrichaya upapannam yuddham.
Swargadvaram apavritam.
Swargadvaram apavritam yuddham. So Swargadvara, the gate of heaven, apavritam means apa avritam, to enter. So
avritam is covered. Apavritam is not. That means covering is removed.
Opened.
So
open the door of heaven. Yadrichaya upapannam. Whatever is gained by chance, or which came to you by chance.
By chance. Upapannam. Pratyaya is that. Pad dhatu.
Prapnoti or prap.
Pad dhatu.
Prap. No, not. Okay. Pad.
Pad dhatu. So in the category list you see the dhatu ending with dhakara, then tap pratyaya. That dhakara as well as the dhakara of tap pratyaya both will be replaced by dhakara. Like chinna, binna, panna. Upapannam. That which has come upon you. Upapannam. That pad dhatu means gained. Upapannam has come to you, approached you. Yadrichaya, by chance. And that is conducive for opening the door to heaven. Apavritam. Apavritam also tap pratyaya. That is what is that? Yuddham. Qualifying yuddham. So upapannam yuddham, and that yuddham is Swargadvaram apavritam yuddham. Right?
Which came by chance. Yadrichaya.
By chance. Taya labdham, gained by you. Okay, the next one. That's one also.
Next.
Gita.
Anarya Jushtam Aswargyam Akirtikaram Kutaha Tva should be Tvaya, I don't know. Tva Samupastitam. So Tva Samupastitam. Should it not be Tvaya Samupastitam? Kutaha Tvaya.
Okay.
Kutaha tva samupastitam. You have samupastitam, which has come over you, or kutaha.
Why tvaya?
I took it as
Asvargyam akirtikaram arjuna.
Tritya Vibhakti. So
Klaibyam asmagam of partha.
upapadyate. Anarjushtam asur akirtikam arjuna.
Kutastva
Kashmalamidam.
Vishame samupastitam.
Kutastva kashmalamidam.
That's okay.
Vishame
Kutastva is what?
samupastitam.
What is kutastva?
How come?
Kutastva.
From where has this come to you?
Kutaha.
On you?
Kutaha is
Where?
from where? Okay.
From where has this come upon you?
Kutastva is not one word. You can split. Kutaha tva is kutastva.
Right. From there. Kutastva kashmalamidam. So kutaha tva samupastitam.
You said tvaya.
No. In that sloka at least it's tva.
The same sloka only I am giving here.
Yes, so it is tva, but it looked like it should be tvaya to me.
Then in the shloka it must be tvaya.
No, it is not.
It is not in the
Kutastva.
So what is
From where it has come upon you?
so? See, okay. Now this take the kriya padam. I mean the verbal equivalent. What is that? The sentence.
Anarya Jushtam
No. The sentence, the verbal equivalent word is there. What is that?
I'm just looking for it, Sharanji. Anarya Jushtam Asvargyam Kirtikaram. These are all adjectives. Kutaha tva samupastitam. So I don't see any verb.
The verb is the samupastitam. I have given very clearly.
Samupastitam.
That is a verbal equivalent in the sentence.
Stadhat.
Stadhatu is there, but this is the verbal equivalent in the sentence. Anarjishtam and all are real adjective. Okay, the adjective.
Stitam. Upastitam.
It has come upon you. It is present you. Okay, what is present? This that is not given in the shloka. It is given the Klaibyam. That is akirtikaram. That which is produces infamy. Asvargyam, not
Anaryan.
Anaryam.
Unbecoming of an Arya.
Unbecoming. So, Anarjustam, Asvargyam, Akirtikaram. This Klaibyam is there, which qualifies all this. Kutaha, Tva Samupastitam. What is Tva now? These Klaibyam Samupastitam. For Klaibyam, these are the adjective I said. Okay. So, that Klaibyam unmanliness does come. And Tva is what? What Vibhakti Tva is? Why it should be Tvaya?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yeah, it is Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Like Tvam Tva. Yeah.
Yeah, Tvam Tva. That is what Tva is. So, Kutaha Tva Samupastitam. So, here, this Klaibyam is the Karta. I mean, as though a karta, and tva becomes the karma. So, tva is there. Okay. So, tva is dvitiya vibhakti in the sentence. Tva is dvitiya vibhakti. So, now let us take the sentence like this. Klaibyam tva samupastitam. Now, Klaibyam is what denoted by the samupastitam stadhatu, which is the akarmaka dhatu, right? Stadhatu, stitam. Sta is akarmaka, sakarmaka. Akarmaka dhatu. So therefore it is Klaibyam is the karta, as though a karta. And karma is tva. Clear?
Yes.
That's why tva is dvitiya bhakti. Okay, what's the problem?
It's a karma.
So therefore need not be tvaya. Tvaya means as though he is deliberately. Actually, so here, instead of tvaya, instead of tva, it can be tvayi. Tvayi would be better. What is that? Saptami tvayi would be better. Tvayi samupastitam, in you.
In you.
I'm just saying in you, but don't have that. But understand, tvayi is better. Is equal to tvayi. Tvayi, Klaibyam, which is akritikaram, asvargyam, anarjishtam, samupastitam. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Tva can be taken.
So it's twice Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Can take it as tvayi. That would make more sense.
So there's a Kartari, it is Kartari here.
Yeah, samupastitam. It is.
Kutaha tva samupastitam.
Yeah, it is. Sadhatu denotes the karta. The karta is Klaibyam. It is not given. So it is Kartari. You can take it as Kartari. Okay. Then the next sentence. Ramaji.
नित्यजातं नित्यमृतम् अपि त्वं शोचितुं न अर्हसि.
Yeah.
So birth and death happen daily, so it's not worth to worry.
Yeah. Nityajatam nityamritam api. So it is daily born and daily gone. Jandhatu, Jandhatu praprtya nityajatam. Mridhatu praprtya nityamritam. Api tvam shochitum narasa. So here praprtya is to show that the sentence. A simple sentence. The thing is that in this next one.
उल्बेन गर्भः आवृतं तथा ज्ञानम् आच्छादितम्. Covered, surrounded, covered.
Covered, acharitam, avritam. So, with me?
Yeah.
Okay, acharitam. Kim acharitam?
Jnanam.
Jnanam acharitam. Jnanam is covered. Example is given. What is that? Avritam.
Yeah, Garbhaha. Avritam. Ulbena.
Yatha ulbena garbhaha. Avritam is not correct. Avritaha.
Avritaha. Yeah, correct. Garbhaha.
Garbhaha avritaha. Yatha ulbena. Garbha is covered by the ulba. The fetus is cut by the embryo. Other way, that ulbena garbhaha avritaha. Jnanam acharitam. It's clear. Avritaha is A plus V plus K pratyaya. Achitaha, same meaning only. Simple sentence. All from Gita.
Yeah.
Next one, Sumati ji.
Indriyanam, indriyarthe, ragadveshau, vyavastitau.
Sentence. It's a sentence.
Yeah. Vyavastitau.
Yeah. V plus Dhatu. Okay. I think the typo is there. Vyavastitau. Vyavastitau. Indriyanam indriyarthe ragadvesha vyavastitau. It is there in Gita. Where is that?
Indriyasya in the third chapter.
Yeah.
Indriyasyarthe.
Indriyanam is bahuvachanam only.
It is
Sashti bahuvachanam.
Gita, which chapter?
Third chapter.
Third chapter it is there. Ragadvesha vyavastitau. It is stationed. Indriyanam indriyarthe ragadvesho vyavastitau. So, avastitau, what? Dvivachanam, why? Because ragadvesho.
Ragadvesho, yeah.
Ragadvesho vyavastitau.
So, likes and dislikes
are stationed for the indriyas towards the sense objects.
So, yes, sense objects.
Indriyanam indriyarthe. Indriyarthe is indriya vishayebhyaha. Indriyanam, Indriyas, Indriyanam Ragadvesha. Indriyarte Vyavastitau. So Ragadvesha, the Indriyas have got Ragadvesha. It is the person who operates the Indriyas, he only has got Ragadvesha. Okay.
Yeah.
Indriya backed up by the mind only it can operate. So it is the mind which has Ragadvesha. So Indriyanam Ragadvesha, Indriyarte Vyavastitau. It is Vyavastitau
Stationed.
towards, it is for the Indriyarte, Vishaya. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Vyavastitau. Simple one. This is next one.
Shreyah Nishchitam Bruhi Tvam Prapannam Mam Upadisha. Upadisha. So Shreyah Nishchitam Bruhi.
Nishchitam is there, it is shown. Nishchitam Bruhi. Bruhi means
Vadatu you have written. Speak, you must speak. Shreyah Nishchitam Bruhi Tvam.
Shreya is what is better. Shreya. Yeah, yes, this is there in second chapter again. Yamishrene Vakyena Buddhim Yasiva me. Right? That not that one, sorry. That is
Karpanya dosha.
Karpanya dosha, second chapter, yes. It is Shreya tat Mam Nishitam Bruhi Agam Tava Shishyaha. So it is second chapter, Karpanya dosha. So Tvam Prapannam, here also it is Padadatu. I surrender. Agam Tvam Prapannam. What prayoga is that? Agam Tvam Prapannam. Tvam, right?
Kartari only.
Kartari only, no, Sharanji, yeah.
I surrender. Prapannam. Whether it is Agam Prapannam or you, Tvam Prapannam, whatever may be. I mean, Prapannam, surrender to you. That is what it is. Surrender to you. Tvam Prapannam.
To be Aham only, no.
Karta is also
Aham
not
Prapannam.
mentioned.
Yeah.
No. Text is Agam Prapannam. But who is a Karta is not there.
Not mentioned, yeah.
Surrender to you, Prapannam. That's what the sentence is. Surrender to you. Padadatu, surrender to you, Prapannam. Okay. Surrender to you. It is not Kartari. Okay. Who said Kartari? Why it is Kartari? Prapannam.
I said Kartari. I thought Aham Prapannam. I thought.
It is Karmani. It is Karmani only. Surrendered.
Aham Tvam Prapannam. Aham here Karta, right? So I told Kartari.
Yeah, even I thought as much.
Prapannam is there. Surrender to you. That's all. Tvam Prapannam. Okay.
Oh, it can be
I surrender to you is the Kartari only, right? Karmani?
Prapannam alone you take it.
Oh, only Prapannam. Okay.
Prapannam is Padadatu, right? Prapannam surrendered. Prapannam is surrendered. So, the first Prapannam is, it is, see, here.
Yeah. I surrender, you can say, or surrendered by whom also.
So, it is Kartari. It is like this Padadatu.
Mam Prapannam maybe.
Yeah. It is like the Gatyartaka dhatu. So, therefore, Aham Prapannam, when you say, it is Kartari. Padadatu has got the meaning of going. Pad means Gamanam, Padyate, Gamyate. Right? So, Aham Prapannam means I surrender. Like Ramaga Gataha, you can take. I surrender. Whether it is I or word maybe. Therefore, it is Kartari. Aham Tvam Prapannam, I surrender to you. So, it is Kartari. Saha Tvam Prapannam, he surrendered to you. It is Kartari. Ramaha Gataha. Ramaha Vanam Gataha. The same way, Aham Tvam Prapannam. That is how we have to see the sentence. Okay. Understand? Aham Tvam Prapannam. It's Kartari.
Yes, dear.
Yes,
But Prapannam alone, if you take,
yeah, it can be, yeah.
then it can be Karmani also. Mam
Mam Prapannam, we can say for Karmani, right?
Huh?
Mam Prapannam, if it is, we say like that, that is Karmani form, right?
If it is, if karma is there, then it is. Here it is, it can denote karta also. Therefore, aham tvam prapannam. Here karma is given, tvam is given. I surrender to you. The karma is in what vibhakti? Dvitiya vibhakti. Therefore, it's kartari priyaha. Therefore, karta you have to supply. That karta can be anybody, whether it is I or you or anybody. Therefore, it is kartari priyaha. Okay. Mam upadisha. Please teach me. Okay. It is priyaha. Nishitam bhuvi. The ninth one we'll do. We'll do that in the next class. Okay, if please now we have got time to do all these sentences. If you do it, you will have a very good understanding of Pratyaya.
Yes, Sharanji, sure.
So 25 sentences, and we are going to do more and more Pratyaya. As I said, now we will do the hand-to-hand exercises and instant reader also. We'll do take the sentence and do all the Pratyaya. We'll do it.
So you've given all Gita sentences, Sharanji, all the.
Yeah, all this Gita only. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of grammar things can be taken from Gita.
Yeah. Okay.
Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
Dhanyawad ji.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad.
Sharanji.